Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Nathaniel, the Wise Grasshopper. I want to share with you this video that you can do at home. You can do this as an exercise and also for self-defense. Now, this clip is going to be with Greg Frazier, one of my trainers, and he will teach you the rolling elbows technique. And I'm gonna stop talking right now. Take it away, Greg.
Hey guys, this is Greg Frazier back again for Jingshan Quoshu. Today I'm doing a little request from my buddy Nathan, who's asked me to do a little demonstration so he can practice the rolling elbows techniques. We've been using the rolling elbow techniques for quite a long time. You've seen it become sort of popularized. I like the guys that are doing the KC style, which is based on heart sort of fighting. This type of stuff I'll demonstrate later as far as when somebody's grabbing and using rolling elbows to counterattack. But for right now, I'm just going to give Nathan a little example of what he can do to protect himself. We've been using this for a number of years for people with various disabilities where I can't deliver full-length punches and everything. So what I'm doing is you want to have a system that can sort of hammer fist, develop the elbows into a continual rolling, pushing technique. In this one, for Nathan, what I want you to do is to practice, first of all, finding the center of the head. For you guys that are my boxers, you've already seen my juggernaut, where you have the one closed off and it's coming very similar to that. In this one here, what I want you to do is maintain the center of the head, okay? Your choice. You can grab on, okay? Keep the elbows tucked in. You can grab on each side. Whatever you're doing, I want that center line principle covered. Now, this is specific for weapons training and everything. When we get close combat with our tactical knives and our tactical stuff like that, you need to cover that center line, protect your vitals, okay? First move that I want you to practice is your cross side cut. So as we're going, we're cutting across, okay? I only need to change into center line. I don't need to go way past because I'm exposing all my reps. So using your Wing Chun style center line principle, I'll angle it a little lower so you can see. I want to stay covered, keep my cheek covered, my elbows out. I'm rolling across. See how I'm doing that? Just to center line. Boom. Letting it roll from the body. Okay? And you can what you want to do is just get a nice free flow. Whether you like to use the X on the hands right here, see this sort of X block here? So I can travel through. I can grab if I need some assistance pulling. If I want to lock down, that's fine as well. On the rising strike, okay, your rising strike, you're just coming up as though you're grabbing the back of your head, covering your temple, all right? And I like to use this reinforced block, okay? When you see it here, usually the rising strike comes in and uses a forward impact. So if I'm rising against here, I'm stepping in and backing the person up. Once I've risen in here and I strike, this follows with your hammer fist, your palm heel, okay? Back into this hammer fist, palm heel, hammer. This is a nice, beautiful roll, and it can go from both sides. It can, okay? Back in, covering, working your sideways rolls. Just find a post or anything that you can make that impact to. You don't have to drive hard. Just get used to swimming with that move. If you can loosen your shoulders up a little bit, then what we want to do is come for your over top. Okay? Riding straight down. See how I'm getting sort of a cover right here? Covering the forehead. Covering the forehead. Still covering. I'm dragging through. So I'm sort of coming down here. Dragging through with my live hand, but I'm still staying high. Okay? We have our downward drive, which often follows by your overhead. Okay? So if I'm coming down onto something, coming over, okay? Over, down. Still trying to maintain that center line principle. Okay? And then from here, we don't have a position for me to do leg chopping, but if you see me, I can get behind. I can hit the hips up through the face, step out, create that space with your hammer fist, Okay, if I want to close the distance, hammer fist, elbow, hammer fist. Back in close, and I drive, and just swim with that, walking through someone.
Hey guys, this video was neat, but you only use these techniques in a self-defense situation only. You only use these techniques for self-defense. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, yes, please subscribe. Give this video a like. Subscribe to my friend Greg. I will leave his link down below. And I guess that's the end of this video. See you guys next time.